Welcome to the WunderTrading channel. In this video, we will tell you how to automate the LuxAlgo indicator on the WunderTrading platform. If you want to learn how to make your trading strategy fully automated and increase your potential in the market, then this video is for you. So let's get started. LuxAlgo is a tool for people who trade on financial markets such as Forex, cryptocurrencies, and stocks. It helps traders make more informed decisions by providing them with real-time alerts, real-time detailed charts, and a variety of premium indicators. So let's add the indicator to the chart. In the Indicators tab, you will see a definition field. Type LuxAlgo in this definition field. Your search for LuxAlgo will give you a full list of indicators specifically developed by the LuxAlgo team. This list includes many tools, target traders in their analysis, and well-known solutions. This time we will use the opening range with breakouts and targets indicator, but you can use any other indicator. The indicator is based on the opening range breakout strategy. It measures and displays the price range created from the first period within a new trading session, as well as price breakouts from this range and targets related to the width of the range. To automate the indicator, we need to make a few changes to our code and add commands that will allow us to send alerts. To do this, we'll use the alert condition function. We need to add it to the code and specify the condition we will use to display alerts, as well as a name for this alert. To automate the indicator script, we will send only signals to enter and close positions using take profit and stop loss functions on the WunderTrading platform. So, let's automate the indicator and turn it into a trading bot. First of all, we need to go to the WunderTrading platform, select the Signal Bot tab, and add a new TradingView bot. Write the name of the bot, select the exchange and the API you want to trade with. Select the time frame and pair you plan to trade on, as well as your traded volume. Since we will only send entry signals, we need to set take profit and stop loss for our bot. To send signals, we will use special comments, which you can see in the upper right corner when setting up the trading bot. The last step to create a bot using WunderTrading is to create an alert that will send a comment to the WunderTrading platform. Click on the button to create an alert and add a message to open a long position from the bot settings. Add a webhook. Create the alert. Let's do it all over again and create a short entry signal. Create an alert, select the previously created signal and set the trigger settings. Add a message from the bot settings to enter short and its webhook and save the alert. Return to the platform and save your bot. That's all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and best of luck with your trading.